Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use CMS in Webflow. So let's get started. First, open your Webflow editor. Over here, if you don't see the Sims tool in the left side panel, check the upper left corner of the screen and click on it. After that, the Sims dashboard will open. Then go to the settings section. Over here, enter the name for your collection and fill out any required information. After that, click Save to save your collection. Then click on Editor Preview to see how your content will appear on your site and make any needed adjustments. Next, explore the items within your collection. Over here, click on any item to view or edit its details. After editing, click Save Changes. Additionally, compress any large assets to optimize your site's performance. Click Compress after checking compatibility with your site. After that, refresh your page periodically to prevent data loss and dismiss any pop-up confirmations to keep your workspace clear. Once all adjustments are done, click on Export to export your collection. Over here, apply filters if needed to export only what you require. Then share your work if you are collaborating with others. Finally, if you want to explore more about CMS, Webflow offers detailed tutorials and courses for deeper learning. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next